It's so cold outside. We just had a blizzard, man. What should I do now? Can't eat it. Bonnie, what are you doing? Oh, nothing. Okay, well, there's nothing to do. Oh, did you hear about that polar bear on the loose? What? Yeah, it came here because of the blizzard. Probably got, like, the one picked it up from Antarctica, brought it over here, but yeah, it's crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to eating my quarter, so leave me alone. Yeah, you go do that. Yo, what the heck? A polar bear? That's crazy. Anyways, let me get some brownies. Oh, heck nah, boy. What the hell? Bonnie, there is literally a polar bear in our house. Stop lying, bro. Go to the door, check for yourself. Okay. Ah, man, it's so nice, sunny out. How's your life been, man? It's been pretty good, matey. It's pretty good. Great to hear. Gosh, there's a little polar bear in the house. It is eating Bonnie. Oh, snap, there is. What do you mean, oh, snap? There's a polar bear. Well, strange things usually goes on in this house, so it's not really a surprise. Yeah, but what do you want us to do? Go fight it? I'm not fighting a polar bear. Who do you think I am? Okay. We need to find a way to escape and call the cops. Well, just get out through the front door. Oh. Let's get up here. Walk past here. Alright, matey, we are safe now. Not really. We're still in the house. We need to get the polar bear outside. We need to go outside. Yo, outside is so cold. I'm not going out there. Your life is on the line, everybody. Okay. I can't with you. Alright, we need to grab a phone. Did anyone grab a phone? No. Just gotta grab myself. He's right behind me, isn't he? I'm out of here. The polar bear is on me, but I can see it, maybe. Alright, let me dial this number. Okay, call the cops. Okay, it's ringing. Okay, thank God. Door's ready. Get me out of here, Alright, open. Alright, pull this one arm out. Ready. You out the window. There's the polar bear. Okay. Freddy went out the window. What? Yeah. Alright, did you call the cops? Yeah, matey. Alright. Guess we here. Where's everyone else? Everyone's else on, like, on vacation and stuff. It's the middle of the winter. No one really wants to be here. Fair point. Foxy have to sacrifice himself. Wait, no, matey, don't. I have to. He or she wants to get both of us, but if he probably gets two of us, yeah, the polar bear will probably be satisfied. Alright, I love you, Foxy. Love you too, bro. Yo, what the hell? Time to die. Wait. Yo, it's just a prank. Calm down, guys. Calm down. No, follow me. Oh yeah, I'm not really getting eaten alive. Huh. Foxy, you can come out, I guess? Oh. Huh. So guys, how does it feel to get pranked by the Bonnie? I hate you. I thought my life was over. I thought it was, but I guess it wasn't. Thank God it wasn't, but what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I wish that gun that police officer had shot you. Instead, shot you. Huh. Matey, you are sick. And who is this anyways? Oh, it's some guy from up the corner of the street. What?
Yo, okay. Funny prank.
So all well ends well. Wait, where's Freddy? He jumped out the window. I thought you were in the room, you saw him. No idea, I was eating my quarter. Oh my. Where could he be now?
Can't wait to board my flight to France. Get away from that polar bear, and I can be chilling for the rest of my life.
Huh. Well, I guess there really is no polar bear. Yeah. But why'd you do this? Because you guys didn't eat the quarter with me? Oh, what's up, Foxy and everybody? You guys want to join me in this delicious quarter? Yeah, this is weird, bro. No. Yeah, I know so. Okay, then. Okay. I'm gonna get my revenge. Yeah, I'm gonna get my revenge. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let me call my boy up. I'm on the other side of the street. Give me a reason why I shouldn't shoot you in that right now. Look, bro, I thought it would be funny prank to do, but I saw in the news there was a polar bear. That isn't even possible. How do a polar bear can come over here from Antarctica to here from a blizzard? I don't know, man. I don't know, but it's out there somewhere. It's right behind me, isn't it? Yep. Oh!